Hello everyone. So in this video, we'll try to solve a question from net physics. So the question goes something like this. The solution of the differential equation is given, are a family of. There are four options. So the first is ellipse, second is circle with different centers, third is circle with different radii, and fourth is ellipse with different foci. So let's see and try to solve this. So at first, we'll write the differential equation. Then what we will do, we'll multiply by y plus 1 on both sides. When you multiply y plus 1 on both sides, we get this step. And then we integrate the equation. After integrating, we get the integrated form along with a constant of integration, which if we rearrange, we'll get this equation. Now, if we add some constant and try to rearrange again, you get an equation something like this, which is an equation of a circle with the center at 0, -1 and radius a. Now, this is the answer, but let us first understand the various parts of it. So let's quickly go through the theory. Now, if you look at the geometric interpretation, ellipse with different eccentricities, so ellipse have equation in this form where we have e from 0 to 1 and it looks something like this. If we have circle, the circle equation looks something like this where h and k are different centers. Now, if we have different radius, if we are varying r, so we get circle of different radiuses. So you'll have something like this. Now for ellipse, if the equation is like this and the foci is generally at plus minus c comma 0 and c is a square minus b square. So these are the four categories what actually happens. So from all this we came to know that it's circle and the option will be C. Now there are a few important points that I thought it's nice to discuss. Now recognize the expression. Basically it should look the circle expression from the question. Now try to understand if we can actually write in the form of y square or y minus 1 square or something like that whenever there is a question. Generally the confusion is that don't ignore the plus 1 with the y, which we generally write. Now why the equation is not ellipse? Because a square and y square coefficient have the same value, that is 1. Now what are the assumptions or limitations? It is valid mostly for all real x and y not equal to 1, but the solution covers it as a circle. The general solution contains an arbitrary constant, right? So if you see the solution once again, you will see that the expression, we have a constant and it is x minus 0, basically x square plus y plus 1 square equal to some constant. So the correct option of this particular question is C.